What's up, everybody? It's the Welding Machine coming back with a video. Today we're going to go ahead and test out the Longevity 140 MIG with the generator welder, and I got my 100-foot 12-gauge cord. Let's do it. Let's start it up.
I got that real good, feel good stuff up under the sea of my...
Sounds like a beast. Very quiet. Sounds amazing. You want to turn it up to max? And we're going to plug on the extension cord. Because I don't want it to blow into the shop. We're going to hook up the extension cord on this Ranger. Yes, that's a tile strap. So we are in the shop right now. We're going to go ahead and hook up the MIG gas and set it up. If you look at the Longevity MIG welder, you got a hole in the front right here. Right here. So what we got to do is we got to lift this latch up as I direct the side into this machine next to this black right here. So we're going to have to unscrew this and take the ground. Open it up, feed it through, put it on. So, sorry for the lighting. Take this black cap and screw it back over. Make sure, because if you're using hard wire, you gotta look electrode positive. You got electrode positive to the MIG gun. Alright, so now what we gotta do is we gotta hook up the MIG gun right there. You gotta tighten that wing nut to tighten the MIG gun up. And we got wire. What's up, guys? Right now we're robbing gas from the Everlast Power I MIG 275S. Oh yeah, direct fit, perfect. I don't have to change, because that way I can just run the gas and not have to move the gas. I don't have to bring out the new regulator. I mean, I'm sure the regulator works fine, but I mean, let's get to it. Bacon sound. I mean, that's a pretty decent looking weld with no undercut. You know, that's the weld you can get. Do is run the vertical up. Beautiful, 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 guys. The generator did flawlessly once I put it on high idle. When I had it on up and down idle, I mean, it kind of messed it up. Not messed up the generator, but it just made it a pain in the butt. But the welds, it does pretty good. You know, this is perfect for exhaust, thin stuff, I would say the max I would go with is 1/8 inch. Anything more than that, I would put like a bevel in it. But then I still wouldn't go too thick. I would go thicker with flux core because it penetrates more of a hard wire. I wouldn't go nothing past an 1/8 inch. But it's pretty good. We're gonna hook up the MIG weld, no, I don't have flux core wire, sorry guys about that. But we're gonna hook up the spool gun. I got the spool, so we're gonna hook that up and we're gonna give it a try. I've never used a spool gun before, MIG welding spool gun, so it's gonna be the first and you guys seen it. Alright, so we'll be right back. But thanks again, guys. If you did like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more. Future video, uphill aluminum welding, uphill aluminum welding, vertical. We're gonna do all of that with the aluminum gun. I've never seen them on YouTube yet, so I'm gonna be the first. And you guys are gonna experience it with me. We're gonna go ahead and experience together. This is a dirty process. That's why we're a respirator, because of the gas and smell. But yeah, guys, the Lincoln though, for real, like let me just show you, right? Let me just show you guys how crazy this is, right? I had everything on this machine maxed out. It's 140 amp, maxed out on this welder. 140, maxed out. And the generator didn't even feel it. We're gonna turn it off. Got that 100-foot 12 gauge cord that runs all the way out to the Lincoln. Right now I got it on high idle. I'm about to go shut it off real quick. $100-foot cord. Did it like a champ. This welder did it like a champ, guys. And that's it. I know what I need to know. I mean, does everything I needed to do. The welder works great. I like the aluminum. The aluminum, it makes welding aluminum a lot more easier setup. You know, it's like easier pretty much. I don't have to do as much with the gas, TIG welding, stuff like that. So thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe for more and future videos coming up. Out.